Francisco, wanted to send you a quick video, do a quick website analysis on your website, which you can see here, and some tips on how you can significantly increase your ranking in Google and how we can help you if this makes sense to you. So first of all, I've gone through your website. You guys have done a great job. Looks really, really good. Want to show you a few things here. I did a search for concrete companies. You'll see here, concrete contractors in Colorado Springs. You're on, I believe, the bottom of page 2, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, page 2. You can see, sorry, where are you here? There you are. So you're number 17. So you're in the middle of page 2. As I'm sure you know, this is a very competitive business. I'm going to go back to page 1 here. So when I search concrete contractors, Colorado Springs, what you'll see is you'll get a couple paid Google ads, and then you'll get the top 3 searches, search results on Google, and then you'll get the organic searches. This is obviously where you want to be. About 70% of people, when they search online, and as you know, everybody's searching online for these businesses, don't get past the top 3 searches. About 80% of them don't get past page 1, and so it's imperative, especially in a competitive business like this, that you can get your website ranked in the top. And there's some very simple things that you can do to do that. Number 1 is content. So if we go back to your page, concretecustoms.com. All right. So the number 1 way to increase your Google ranking is with content on your homepage, and it needs to be a very specific type of content. We want to see a minimum of 1,000 words on here. So you can see this is the extent of your content on here. You've got a little bit on there and it's well done, but you need to have a lot more. And the reason why is when the Google bots read a website to determine where to rank it, the first thing that they are doing is they are reading the content on that website and how well it matches with whatever someone's searching for. And it needs to be what we call authoritative content. In other words, you need to have all the right keywords. It needs to be laid out in exactly the right way to take advantage of how Google reads it to rank your website. And so you can see here you've got maybe 50 words, and that needs to be significantly more. So that's the first thing that we want to do. If we go into this tool here, this title is what basically is the name of your website, Home Concrete Customs. Okay, we can modify this so that this will show up in a lot more web searches. You don't have a description in here. That is a big deal. You also don't have, and this is getting a little technical, but if you can see, you don't have headers in here. What these headers are is the H1 is the first thing that Google will read about your website to determine how it should show up in someone's search. So those things are not done. So we've got a lot of things that we can do here to significantly increase your presence. The second little tip I want to give you is what's called citations. And what citations are is other websites that are linked to your website. And one of the things Google does when it determines where it should rank your website in searches is how many other websites that they already know about are linked to your site. And the more websites that are linked to your site, the higher your website will be ranked. And so these are just a couple of many things that we do to help small businesses like you get in the top searches of Google. We only do local searches. We're not interested in national stuff. We work with small business just like yours to show you how to get in the top 3 is really what we do. And if you'll notice here, this is interesting because the concrete business is, like I said, is very competitive. 2 out of the top 3 websites that are ranked in the top, Francisco, don't even have websites. This is an opportunity to get your website, your company, at the very top of searches. Now, the other thing you have to remember is this is just concrete contractors. You know, there's a lot of things that contractors do, whether it be stamped concrete, concrete patios, concrete driveways, maybe they repair concrete, maybe it's garage finishing. There's so many different things here. We can set it up to where all those searches are going to point to your business. And if you're looking to grow your business significantly, I'd love to talk with you further, because we partner with local companies to do just that, and we know how to get you at the top here, and really grow your business for this next coming year. All right, hope that makes sense to you. I'm going to send this off to you. I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.